पर असली मजा तो अब आने वाला है. We have Rahul Kedia ji here with us, the cricket convener of BRC. Hello sir.
Hi. Good to be here.
बहुत सारी बातें सुन ली आपके बारे में, and also that you have been in the scene for a really long time. We're not calling you old,
Okay.
but veteran is the right word. तो सर आप बैट्समैन हो कि बॉलर?
All-rounder.
All-rounder. So this interview is also gonna be an all-rounder. We're gonna have, I hope we're gonna have a lot of masti. Sir ने कह दिया you can be unfiltered. So the first unfiltered episode coming for all of you now. Hello Kedia जी.
Yeah, hi Sahil.
सर आप दिखने में थोड़े सीरियस हो पर एक्चुअली सुनने में बड़े मजाकिया हो.
That's how I compensate the looks.
So you are a bowler or a batsman?
As I said, an all-rounder.
All-rounder.
I started as a batsman who can bowl. Now I'm more of a bowler who can bat.
अच्छा, now you're more of a bowler.
Yeah.
So spinner, pacer,
I am an off-spinner.
off spinner. Harsh Bhaiya was telling me that your off spin is one of the most difficult off spin.
He's a good guy. All I can say.
But you actually have a good bowling record, right?
Yes. God has been kind. Plus the passion, because I'm passionate about it, so I keep practicing every now and then.
So you've been playing cricket since your childhood?
Yeah. That, as I said, my first passion and the last passion in sports that remains with me is cricket. I started playing in school. I played for the school, represented school in under 16 CAB tournaments and all. And all the name I put on in school was maybe for cricket only. Nothing else. I was not that great in studies. Then we got a little serious in life for our practical things, maybe earning a livelihood and all. Life happened. So went out of the city for some time. Then after coming back, after settling down here for good, I realized that there can still be amateur cricket possible in the city through the club circuit, which we started playing. It was not that great, but enough for us to keep us glued to our passion.
Correct.
In the last 3-4 years, of course, this has increased. I see with the indoor cricket gaining so much of popularity that cricket in general has picked up, and amateur cricket especially. There's a lot of amateur cricket happening in the city.
A lot of turfs opening up.
Yes, absolutely.
So you were in a co-ed school or boys?
It was a co-ed school.
So you got a lot of attention in school for being a
I don't know, maybe I was that time maybe more focused towards the game only and not the attention part of it.
Arey, why? You missed out.
I missed out. I agree, I missed out.
Now do you get attention?
Now my wife is around.
So how does family react when you give so much time to cricket?
Last week I had my anniversary. I was playing a game and I had promised my wife to reach the restaurant by 9. And the prayer of the entire team was with me that I reach on time. I reached by 9:30 and things were taken care of. But yes, it becomes challenging with family, with children. But my children are very supportive because they are cricket enthusiasts themselves.
Papa is the hero.
Yeah, Papa is the hero for them. So they love, whenever it's enough for them, they come for my matches, they watch me play.
Wow. So your team members are also aware that you give cricket more
Yeah, absolutely.
बाकी things in life.
Yes.
And मतलब ये पागलपन जो क्रिकेट को लेकर है, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज ये पागलपन तो कम होता रहता है. आपका मैंने सुना है पागलपन मेंटेन्ड है. क्या कारण है? What do you eat?
As I said, it's not controlled. It cannot be controlled, I feel. And the more you get into it, the more you start enjoying it. And then with children, when you have a chance to set an example for them.
Right.
So all these things build up together. And I agree, it has not died down at all. And I hope it doesn't.
But do you think आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं वो खेल रहे हैं क्रिकेट उतना? Like आप जैसे I remember playing that gully cricket, नाली क्रिकेट, छत क्रिकेट, every cricket. अगर मैदान नहीं है तो we used to spend a lot of time. अभी do you see a lot of kids playing cricket?
Relatively, it has come down a lot. I agree. Like you, we did not have mobiles when we were growing up. And 4 o'clock in our lane, it was fixed that we have to assemble in a certain place. And 10-12 of us would play that gully cricket every evening. And Sundays, it is like, even my mom was not searching for me. She knew I'll be there. And we got those time also. Now, I think the project work with the technology, there are a lot of things that the children have to do at home, and also their personal interest in the phone glued up or in the television now maybe.
हाँ.
Yes, they play lesser than us, but maybe the organized cricket coaching, which was not very relevant in our times. Our parents like us, "Nee, you go for a coaching, you go to this academy," or the number of academies in the town. All that has also grown. So now whatever cricket the children play is a more organized cricket. Earlier when we used to go to Victoria, there were maybe 10 matches happening in a 50-meter diameter,
हाँ.
which is no more the case. So the quality of the game must have increased for sure.
And so let's come back to the core, which is you are from BRC.
Yeah.
So my question is, why don't you row?
I started rowing.
Oh, you
I did. I gave so for rowing you have to give your swimming test. And when I enrolled myself in BRC rowing, it was January. And the pool, the swimming pool of BRC was dried up that time. I had to give my swimming test in the lakes.
Oh God.
And that's how I started it. I was a little scared too, but then of course. And after that, I did rowing for around 6-7 months. Yes, it was something that you do get bored maybe in the beginning. At that point, I started a little early. And it did not continue with me for long.
But you did rowing.
I did rowing, yeah.
So every club has their own set of traits, right? Like Red Riders has a different vibe. Hindustan Club has a vibe. Punjab Club has a vibe. What's the vibe of BRC?
BRC has now transformed into a proper sporting club with all the facilities, new sports area being developed every now and then. We've recently added a pickleball court as well in our premise. We will be about to start lawn tennis as well, which was not there, missing for some time. In badminton, we're doing very well. In table tennis, we have very good facilities. We have a squash court, swimming. So in all these sports and in all sporting carnivals, I think BRC is among the top 2 teams.
It's always been there.
there.
Riders Cup?
We'll start with a win, I think.
That's the confidence which every team has.
Yeah. That should be common. That's how the fun will transform into competitiveness and result.
So, is bar who do you think are the star players of your team?
You have whole lots of them. We have a bunch of...
रहना चाहिए.
In our team, everybody. Not a single one to be, just
take it lightly.
Yeah, absolutely. A young bunch of enthusiastic cricketers. I am the most experienced, I would say, not the...
Good word used out here. Most experienced.
Otherwise, it's a very enthusiastic bunch of people.
So, जब team में झगड़ा होता है, and I'm sure there must be fights during matches and all. How do you guys deal with it?
My funda is let it happen for a while at least. And
थोड़ा तो मजे हम भी ले.
बिल्कुल. And उससे क्या है? Everybody needs to lend out whatever there is there inside for a little bit. And what I like is no one gets personal. They talk about the game. If you've done something really wrong for the team or maybe for the team, and that's what one person feels, not the other. It's important that message is given. Then how to frame it, maybe it's on me, how to maybe put it across in a better way to the other person so that he doesn't feel bad. That has to be done, of course, which is done post the match later on.
पार्टी होती है?
बिल्कुल होती है.
कितनी वाइल्ड पार्टी होती है?
हमारी पार्टियां वाइल्ड अभी नहीं होती हैं ज्यादा because we do not serve alcohol in our club.
क्या?
Yeah, BRC doesn't serve alcohol in the club. So we have very sober ones, good discussions over dinner, early dinner that too.
तो अभी जो आफ्टर पार्टी सारे क्लब्स की होगी उसमें अब पीना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल पीना पड़ेगा, and those opportunities we take.
So, but it's good now, like with sports, if alcohol is not there. So, you guys are proud of it or you guys are sad about
it? That is one missing bit, but then we abide by the culture of the club on the whole, so that's fine.
And pickleball अभी आपने कहा start हुआ है. ये question is out there on the internet काफी time से. Is pickleball a sport? Because बहुत लोग ऐसा मान रहे कि it's a very baby sport. What are your views on that?
I love playing pickleball. So I was always interested in tennis also. I learned tennis also because I loved the game. I used to watch Wimbledons and all those things earlier. And pickleball may be the shorter form of it, but it is competitiveness is there, and more people are getting aligned to it also because of its format not being that difficult as a lawn tennis maybe, because of the ball being light and the rackets being light and all that. I don't see a problem with it. Poker has become a sport now.
हाँ.
I have a problem calling golf a sport for whatever reason, but
That's an attack. Okay. Now I'm liking it. हाँ, but पोकर में तो मजा आता ही है.
exactly.
क्रिकेट आपके काम को कैसे इम्पैक्ट करता है? Do you feel it helps you in your work?
Yeah, it helps me, and I have to manage it, of course, for that it not to affect it in adversely. But yes, the aggression at times. With time, what happens in work also, we take it easy. After maybe a certain successes, you may take things lightly, and then you need something to shake you maybe at times. Ki bhai, how can you take it lightly? You should not give it up like this. And that aggression comes with the game. When you keep playing it, when you see others, I learn a lot by others as well, by their way of putting their emotions across and how to not let it go easily.
तो आप मतलब रियल लाइफ में भी आप इतना डिप्लोमेटिकली बात करते हो?
Am I diplomatic? I thought I am like...
No, he's very open, yet your tone is very... मतलब आप तीर भी मारोगे ना, किसी को बुरा नहीं लगेगा. It's like that's a sweet तीर.
That's a good thing.
Do you guys plan to heckle on feet?
Not much.
ऐसे ही. आप लोग सब good boys वाले group हो क्या?
We are actually.
The fair players, the good team.
Yes. That's how we've been. कि walkover से जीतने से अच्छा है खेल के हारो. That's the kind of
a bit of the Gandhiwad.
Yes. Enjoying is more important than actually winning it in any which way. That is.
So, hi Rahul Bhaiya.
Hi Harsh, finally.
Camera के scene
In a formal way.
not so far.
Yeah. Tell me Harsh.
अभी discuss हो रहा था about your batting lineup, which is apparently your weakness, जो आप बोल रहे हो, जो कि हमको नहीं लगता है. But उसमें एक dent तो लगा है, which is Ahan will probably play for Red Riders Sports Club.
He's one player who's loyal to a team.
Oh, that's...
And without the team spirit, what would you do with that player?
देखिए टीम स्पिरिट तो ऐसा है, आहान के पिताश्री
I know.
Mr. Aman Agarwal is a mentor of Red Riders, club. So
Let's see. Time will tell, but I think
fight रहेगा.
दिल से Ahan,
BRC पक्का.
he's more BRC than his father.
That's true. His father is totally Red Riders. उसमें कोई doubt ही नहीं है. चलिए, अच्छा, I just wanted to talk to you about something, because I had come to watch आपका match in the CSC tournament रात को गुलमोहर में, and आप वहाँ खड़े थे और हमको पता चला कि आपका एनिवर्सरी है, and आप गुलमोहर में खड़े हो रात को गेम खेल, and apparently Bhabhi was okay with it.
Yeah.
How do you manage that?
Firstly, she was not okay with it.
अच्छा, फिर चलो.
She was made.
We are there.
She was made to be okay.
अच्छा, आप उतनी है.
And I was actually not supposed to play that game, but I somehow couldn't keep myself away.
हाँ, वो
I found it difficult,
even on anniversary.
even on anniversary day, not to be there for the game, for the team. And not for anything else, but for myself, maybe I love it so much there. So, and I had the praise of the entire team of mine, and maybe more people like you there.
Of course, मतलब I am here trying to learn.
So, yeah, I had given her a deadline of 9 p.m. And with things not going in time also, I was there by 9:40. And I just got a bad look. That's it. She was supportive enough.
And the
Thank you.
and the fact that you're alive,
Yeah.
sitting in front of us means
Yeah, absolutely. She used to earlier tell me that at least for important days you should avoid it.
हाँ.
But my important dates come in the season only. And the season is very short-lived. It's from November end to maybe March at the max.
But anniversary day, yeah.
My wife's birthday is also coming, and I hope I don't play that day.
Oh really? Date बताइए. So let me.
I'll have to tell you.
So और एक चीज भी है. So BRC I think is doing brilliantly in sports. It's all out there. We know so many people like Suyesh Jayaji and Arpit and they're just doing.
Yeah.
अविनाश भैया. How did this culture आपका क्लब का क्रिकेट में भी आप लोग how did this culture build में BRC का?
As a club or as the sports committee in the club, we have full independence to take our respective sport to whichever level we want to, and the club supports us in and out.
I was going to come there. मतलब क्लब का support would be.
They say for playing there is no restriction at all, as long as the members are playing and enjoying the sport. They are ready to do whatever it requires. Yes, we do not have a cricket field or a pitch, but whatever facilities we can rent out, we don't have restrictions on that, as long as everyone is willingly wanting to participate. And we have
Red Riders के पास एक room भी नहीं है. I know. But that is no matter. But चलो and BRC क्लब में मतलब वो आपका एनिवर्सरी वाला कांड के लिए आपको कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला.
इतना अभी तक मैंने छुपा के रखा हुआ है.
तब तो it's out there. It's there.
I know. Now they may.
हाँ मतलब बनता है वो अवार्ड बनता है. And we really need classes for that. How to.
I will, as long as it's not advertised.
It is not it. वो एकदम private 1-to-1 classes लूँगा. So भैया we I think we know each other since so long. We have so many common friends. विवेक भी है, अमन भी है and all that. आपने Red Riders का जर्नी भी देखा है.
बिल्कुल देखा है.
You have played in an Indo Premier League internal Red Riders का भी. And so do you have any expectations out of Riders Cup being the scale that it is going to?
Lot of expectations, Harsh. The way I have seen you guys, the way personally with you, I have seen you organize that indoor one also, and whatever I keep hearing about you, how meticulously or methodically you are planning, how passionately you are organizing. I have a lot of expectations that it is going to be one of its kind. I mean, of course, cricket is played on the field. How it is played, that is separate. But the scale at which it will be done, I feel it will be humongous.
Okay. So I mean, I hope we can live up.
Yeah. I mean, you will. I'm sure about it. Don't worry about that. You just have to continue doing whatever you're doing.
And so, कोई कुछ specific फरमाइश of a big brother के लिए, apart from Ahan?
You know, that attachment that I've seen, that which has grown amongst us, it's because somehow I feel the connect that whatever I feel should be done, you're already doing it.
अच्छा. Oh, thank you.
So you're already, according to me, ticking one right box after the other. And you know about it much more than what I know about organizing all this, about the challenges, about your foresightedness. So you're the best guy.
मत चढ़ाइए भैया. Just a normal person trying to do things. But चलिए, first of all, really आप जो confidence दिखा रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल
can live up to.
You will. Don't worry. Don't take the pressure. हाँ.
वो आता नहीं है, तुम बता दे. Good. And एक चीज हमको really आपके साथ टच करना है is our good friend विवेक भैया.
हाँ.
जिस पता नहीं क्यों टच करना है. क्या लगता है विवेक भैया राइडर्स कप में उनका BRC ज्यादा मजा लेगा कि रेड राइडर्स ज्यादा मजा लेगा?
But are you sure वो कहाँ से खेल रहा है? Lot depends on that.
Lot depends. But फिर भी, I mean, विवेक भैया अब पे तो मजा लेंगे.
I am sure BRC में he has a little bit of respect also. So कम लोग मजा लेने वाले आने वाले हैं आगे. But riders में तो I have seen कि left, right and center मजा लेने पहले. हाँ, so I'll be there with the Red Riders team there.
और just heads up, so I have been priming Red Riders का group for Mr. Rahul KD also.
Of course.
इनको विवेक भैया की तरह ही छोड़ना नहीं है.
I know that. I got that.
अच्छा, एक और चीज है. I really wanted to speak to you. Like, I'm 36 right now. I mean, आप लोग से मैं 7-8 साल 10 साल छोटा हूँ. 6 sorry. So, but you know, I'm seeing you. I mean, still playing and still giving it your all, and with so much love and passion. अब हम लोगों को कुछ guidance दीजिए. How can we just keep continuing this and not leave it? That really one message.
Not that I follow it that much myself, but keeping yourself a little fit is very important. To do that the basic thing also for fitness, if you walk also, you run also, and that laziness that catches one person if he's engaged in work or too much engaged in work also, or maybe not giving importance to passion and just giving more time to work. So there's a balance that you have to do, but only if you are fit from your mind, from your body, that you can do that. So ये एक combination है कि आपको काम के साथ अपना पैशन को प्रायोरिटाइज करना है थोड़ा, एंड ऑफ कोर्स खुद को थोड़ा एक्टिव रखना है इन द नॉन प्लेइंग डेज एज वेल, सो दैट यू डोंट
गेट lethargic on. Okay. So I mean I'll not call that an answer for an old person, but an experience for it.
And of course managing your wife as well.
हाँ, वो तो सीखना है. वो प्राइवेट क्लासेस चाहिए, चुप के एकदम वो चाहिए. चलिए, it was lovely. And
same here.
So much for honoring me by being here. It was just a pleasure.
It was my pleasure.
And I hope we can. I mean, Red Rider तो जीत ही जाएगा Riders Cup, but
looking forward to beating Red Riders.